Today on my Hobbit hole project, we are doing a few projects that are very big starts. So first is clearing some of these more fallen limbs. However, these little beams here, their purpose, I am charring the bases of them, putting them in the holes to act as the brace. But a big project that we started is, I'll show you here. We have finally started getting my dad's sawmill working, which is going to be very big for not just my Hobbit hole build, but every single project we do on this property.